Take a ride in the 2013 TL. The Acura TL is a strong choice for people looking for a mid-size luxury vehicle. Offering a typically spacious Acura interior, this car is loaded with high-tech features and receives top scores in crash tests and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, power passenger seat, moonroof, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, one owner. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.